Okay, hey y'all. So it's been a hot minute since I did any of the Moonshine stuff, but I finally have a little bit of time again. Um, and so yeah, so we got it working, but specifically, we're still doing batch transcription, which is a little slow. And one of the cool things about Moonshine is that it's not just batch. Another neat thing is the Wyoming protocol is also not just batch. So, most likely we just need to, fix this? Question mark? I guess. Okay. Um, so let's transcribe, okay, so WAV file. Let's go find where we make the WAV file. Okay, so Farmer's Whisper. Do we? I don't think we need this anymore. We're not. Oh, well, okay. I was gonna get rid of some of the things we don't need now for just we're just doing Moonshine as well. So phonics um Sherpa um oh yeah, okay. Well, let's delete these other things first because we don't need them technically. Um, I don't think I had this. Huh. My git fetch origin. Oh, wait, what the fudge? So okay, right. So, uh, I'm so confused. I'm looking. Uh, okay, okay, gotcha. Okay. Git check out main, and I guess my question is going to be if this branch so here get log. Okay, get full origin name. Okay, that is there. Okay, cool. Okay, because I had thought delete a bunch of stuff that I didn't really want to deal with. And this is now making more sense. Because it's like, why is this? And there we go. Okay, there we go. Okay. Now, okay. Um, cool. So dispatch handler is our friend who. All right, cool. So I think we can. And so let's go find the moonshine. Uh, moonshine streaming example. We're looking at this not that long ago. Is it examples? Python. Basic transcription, I think, is probably all we need. So yeah, here we go. So audio data and sample rate. So audio data is a list of floats. That's weird type. Not what I would expect for streaming, but okay. Um, uh, sample rate. Sure runs a transcription. Okay. And so then actually okay. Hmm. Okay, I think we're probably actually gonna want to again do our Wyoming, Wyoming phase two tax because I feel like no speech to raise feel like this one has streaming. Maybe I'm wrong. If it didn't, this is gonna be more annoying than I thought. An handler. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So. Okay. Yeah. There we go. So this is going to be dispatch handler, event handler, same. So get a chunk if the transcriber is none. Okay. Start or okay. And then the moonshine. An example of Python. Moonshine voice GitHub. Transcription. Yeah, okay, here we go. So, we're just gonna make this less general because I don't handling multiple backends is not um, super amazing. And actually, yeah, let's go here. Okay. Yeah, because we're just not gonna bother with the um. So here, what we do is we say essentially like, yo, if I don't have a transcriber, this transcriber. Um, if self dot, well, okay. I no, it's not a non-op. Keep it autocomplete, but that's okay. I feel like we had the rate right beforehand. Uh, comes out rate. Okay. Except this, yeah, okay. Except, okay. Comes out audio, comes out rate. Return true. So if we get an audio chunk, we queue it. If we stop, um, doot, doot, doot. So it only sort of supports streaming, which is not like amazing, but it means we don't have to like write to a WAV file and then lock. We can start transcribing the data immediately. Right. Oh wait, no, transcribe events. Interesting, interesting. Async event handler. Gotcha. Um, that's a language. Except no. Um, yeah, okay, so this does just eventually grab the audio block back as like one thing. So that's fine. I don't love it necessarily, but we'll deal with this, I guess. Okay. Await self dot underscore transcriber dot get transcription get and async def description. Okay. Other thing that we're going to do, here we go. Self dot if not self dot listener uh, um, okay. Self recognizer remove all listeners. Listener um, um, self dot. Oh wait, no, don't do that. Remove the current listener at the end. Wait, indicate we have no more data. Self dot transcriber dot stop. Text is equal to self dot listener dot listener. Okay. Accumulation, accumulating listener, and then here from transcript. On, I'm actually curious. Let's go. What are our methods here? Cool. What are my methods? Yeah. Line start, line update, line complete. Okay. Um, Hmm. Let's go find line updated. Uh, wait. We only really care about the ones where it's finished. Maybe we can get away with that for now. Unless I don't super know. The example event.line. Okay. Um, except here transcript line. Go to where uh, so what have we got? Oh, you do have a line ID. Okay. Wait, no, it's event.line.line ID, right? Event.line.line. Yeah. 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 Okay. All right. Let's double check. I remember Python dynamically allocates stuff for me when I do these bad things. Nope. Okay. Um, so dot lines. Okay. Um, if event if when self.lines is less than um, let's go, okay. Hi. We start with use 0, but for example, we probably start. We probably start. Well, actually, let's just do this. Yeah. If that's actually unexpected line ID. Yeah, okay. Fine enough. Okay. Uh, that seems fine. We have an error. Oh yeah, okay. And then alright, that seems reasonable enough. Let's go back to our dispatch handler. So what do? We queue these chunks as we go. It seems fine. And on stop, we do this. We write this. And then yeah, we don't deal with that. Okay, that looks like a thing that might work. My pie, Wyoming. That shouldn't be taking a long time. It is. Okay. Moonshine handler.py. Transcript event listener is not defined. Um, ah. Um, um, okay. Let's go ahead. Self.listener. Optional. In here. If phase else oh, it's not dot transcriber, it's self dot recognizer. Um, uh, yeah. I thought it was defined. Ah, oh wait, no, it's right there. That's audio data and sample library. Oh. Okay. 79. Okay, let's go models.py. Moonshine. Let's go. Okay. Actually, do we use our dispatch handler? Yeah, we do. Okay. Except I don't use this. We're just going to have this be an option. Do we need this model loader? Yes. Let's leave it there now. Dispatch handler line 47. Um, Model loader. Okay. Loader. Okay. Moonshine server. So we're going to call it loader dot. Ah, yes. This is making sense now. No, we should just get rid of this. In fact, actually, uh, yeah. Well, well, okay. So my reasoning here is essentially this is done to lazy load, but by lazy loading on our first interaction, it means that our first interaction is going to be slow, but the entire point of this is to have this. So I don't think we actually want a lazy load, and in fact, lazy loading means that we're going to have to like do a whole bunch of random shit, and it's going to be easier on us just if we don't do that. So in fact, actually, yeehaw. And yeah. Um, but yeah, I think it just makes more sense. Uh, and then we can go get RM, Wyoming Moonshine models. Uh, and then no, just name, yeah, okay. Um, um, oh, actually, yeah, maybe that's just a better place. Um, transcriber is type Moonshine. We can uh, uh, um, and this is going to be our language. This model loader. Um, okay, okay. Args dot model. Okay, F not model. else Moonshine underscore transcriber is equal to sounds great. And then here it's going to go okay. Moonshine, and you take the MyIDA language and cacher dispatch handler. Oh yeah, that's not going to be not a thing anymore. If not, okay, underscore transcriber. Cool. Cool. And we do not reset the transcriber. Oh yeah, okay, fine. I mean, we're not going to do anything with it, so let's get rid of that. Okay. Get in. Oh. Okay. Trying transcriber is not defined. Fantastic. We can fix that one easily from dot. Okay. Cool. I guess so. Okay. Start switching to streaming-ish. We don't. We start the transcription live, but we don't feed the text to the engine. It stops token. Stop streaming. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Let's go ahead. Okay, what are you sad about? Ah, dispatch handler. Okay. Ah, okay. Uh, how we're gonna do this? Default. Yep. Drop that. For now, this is going to default to English. Then let's see. We want it to like start running. Oh, this is fine. That's weird that GPU discoveries on 16 because they definitely have a GPU on the desktop. Okay, so this runs. It's English for default. Um, move unused model loader. Okay, and then think git tag fudge. Okay. Um, yeah, all right. Um, uh, and yeah, there we go. Okay, those are the three we have to update. We also do have to tag this one. So git tag. What was the tag? Okay, git push origin. Okay, cool. That's the trick. What happened to our handy dandy build container script? Version. Oh. Okay, cool. So, there we go. Yeah, this will build a container. It'll take a hot minute, and we'll come back tomorrow, and we will see if this worked. And the answer is Hopefully. Pew, pew, pew. Okay, cool. Yeah, it's 1 a.m., so I'm going to wrap up. Thanks, everyone, for joining. This is just my, like, I got a little bit of energy, and when I say tomorrow, I use tomorrow loosely. It could also be Sunday. We'll sort of see how the weekend unfolds. Okay, don't work too hard. For those of you who are protesting tomorrow, good job. Actually, I guess really today. Good job. I'm probably gonna screen print some stuff about ice and stuff like that. And we'll see. We'll see. Have a good one.